Namaste everyone, this is Swarna. Welcome to Swasa Yoga channel. Today my topic is about thyroid. Thyroid is a small gland in the throat that secretes hormones. These hormones affect a person's metabolism, body temperature and growth. There are basically two kinds of thyroid disorders, hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. The main symptoms of thyroid disorders are fatigue, weight gain or the inability to lose weight, mood swings, anxiety or depression, poor memory, constipation, neck swelling, snoring, muscle pain and joint pains. Yogasanas are considered to be an effective natural remedy for dealing with thyroid disorders. Try to add these yogasanas to your daily routine to help to stimulate the thyroid gland and maintaining your metabolism. In this video, I am showing 8 effective asanas for thyroid. So let's start the video. Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach. Join your legs. Place your palms on the floor at the side of your chest. Press your palms, lift your head, chest upwards. Look up and take normal breathing. Bhujangasana is a yoga pose for thyroid that stretches the neck and throat region, thereby increasing thyroid functioning. Slowly come to the starting position and relax. Setubandhasana. Lie down on your back. Keep your arms at the side of your body. Bend your legs. Hold your ankles with your hands. Now inhale. Lift your hips up as high as you can. Tuck your chin into the chest and hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute with normal breathing. Setubandhasan is an effective yoga for thyroid problems that stretches the neck and improves blood circulation in the thyroid gland. Exhale and then slowly release your pose and relax your body. Cow and cat pose. Start on your hands and knees with your wrist directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Now inhale, drop your belly toward the mat. Lift your chin and chest and look up the ceiling. While exhale, draw your belly to your spine and round your back toward the ceiling, your head toward the floor. But don't force your chin to your chest. Inhale, coming back into cow pose and then exhale, cat pose. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. This pose also believed to stimulate your thyroid. If you are suffering from the neck injuries, should not drop the neck back or forward. Keep the head in line with the torso. Now relax. Ushtrasan. Kneel on the mat and place your hands on the hips. Arch your back and slide your palms over your feet. Do not strain or flex your neck, but keep it in a neutral position. Stay in this posture for a couple of breaths. This pose can stimulate the thyroid gland by stretching the neck and increase blood circulation in the gland. Breathe out and slowly come back to the starting position and relax in child's pose with your arms extended in front of you. Matsyasana, fish pose. Lie on your back, legs together, keep your palms under your hips. Now touching the crown part of the head on the mat, Keep the chest up and open. Take long, deep breaths. This pose arches your back to stimulate the thyroid gland, relieve tension in the neck, and increase blood circulation. Slowly release the pose and relax. Dhanurasana. Lie down on your stomach, bend your legs, stretch your hands backwards till you can hold your ankles. Inhaling, lift the upper body, thighs, only your body support on your stomach. Your body position should resemble a bow. Stay in this position for few seconds. This pose helps in massaging the thyroid gland, which acts as a powerful treatment for hypothyroidism by stimulating hormone production. Slowly come back to the starting position and relax. Sarvangasana. Lie down on your back. Keep your arms your side. Breathe in and lift your legs up to 90 degrees. Exhale, use your hands, support your back to lift your hips off the floor. Hold the body and legs in a straight line from the shoulders. Do not support your body weight on your neck or head. Sarvangasana helps in maintaining the endocrine system by exerting pressure on the thyroid gland, which receives the largest blood supply. Come to the Halasana pose. Exhale, take the legs back and place the toes on the floor above the head. Release the hands and stretch them straight. Place the palms on the ground or interlock the fingers. Beginners, don't place the palms on the ground. You can take the support your back with your hands. Hold the position for 4 to 5 breaths. Come back to the starting position. Use your hands and support your back. Fold your legs and slowly come back and relax. Practice these asanas regularly 3 to 4 times. Some food tips for thyroid. Include high fiber food in your diet. Reduce the intake of fats and carbohydrates. Take lots of fresh fruits and green leafy vegetables. Drink lots of water. Limit the intake of non-vegetarian food, milk products. Skimmed milk is advisable. Rice, spicy food, refined and fast food. Don't eat preserved food. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Namaste.